All right, we have Chief Meteorologist Nick Marianos checking in with us, and we've got a busy, warm week on tap.
Yeah, a lot going on locally, right? We have a big pattern change coming our way for the holiday weekend, and then a lot of folks have interest along the Gulf Coast in Florida with the hurricane on its way, and it's intensifying as well. So let's talk about that, and then we'll get into our local forecast thereafter. Hurricane Idalia, Category 2 storm, 105-mile-per-hour winds. It is strengthening, though, and looks like we'll see some rapid intensification as we go through the rest of this evening into the day tomorrow. We're already seeing the outer bands continue to impact much of the southeast. In fact, on live radar, you can see the northern extent of some of the bands coming up just south of Jacksonville now, but more intense bands right here on the Gulf Coast. And these bands getting ready to move onshore. And when they do, they will pack some strong wind gusts with those, getting ready to move into the Bradenton, Sarasota area, St. Pete, Tampa. And then the hurricane is right there. You can see the center of circulation, the eye of the hurricane, looking very healthy on radar. In fact, you can see the nice eye wall with that. Hurricane force winds right now only extend about 25 miles from the center. So tropical storm force winds way outside of the center, and that's what we're seeing there coming into the Florida Gulf Coast now. But this storm is going to continue tracking up to the north as we get into the day, the night, and into the early morning hours tomorrow, with a significant storm surge threat right where the storm makes landfall. So you can see the projection with the circulation here, and it's going to be on the eastern side. All that water being shoved up on the coastline, enhanced with the curvature of the coast. So Crystal River, Cedar Key, northward, looking to see a significant storm surge event taking place tonight. By tomorrow, the storm's going to quickly move, and it'll bring in some heavy rainfall across parts of Georgia to the Carolinas, and then move off the coast, likely still as a tropical storm. And we'll continue monitoring that as we get into the next several days. Locally, though, it's the fire weather that's the big concern going into tomorrow, along with the heat. Temperatures tomorrow back up near the triple digits. We will see some smoke in place, too. North wind tomorrow. It's going to take some smoke from fires up north and bring it down to the valley. We do have red flag warnings, too, tomorrow. They go into effect actually this evening, but it's tomorrow morning across the Sacramento Valley that I'm looking at the greatest concern for fire weather, because those north winds funneling right into the valley, the western Sacramento Valley especially. And then comes the pattern change for holiday weekend. Labor Day weekend looking like this, an area of low pressure off the coast over northern California. That will drop temperatures off a lot, in addition to bringing some rain chances to the Sierra. So if you're spending Labor Day weekend up in the mountains, I do expect to see a lot more clouds along with showers in place. Tomorrow is a first alert action day because of the fire weather. And then as you get later this week, look at the 70s Friday, Saturday. Labor Day itself on Monday looking fantastic, though. Lots of sunshine and temperatures warmer. And then you can see up in the Sierra, a few storms on Friday, then areas of rain Saturday going into Sunday.